Hey, what's up guys on YouTube? This is 3D Bonfire back with an amazing tutorial, or let's better say it's an announcement for my new course based on the Samsung Galaxy Flip 3 smartphone. Okay, I hope I said this correctly. And you already can see I spent some time to really get the edge flow correct. So you start with a really clean and good model here. This will be shared on my Patreon, of course. Let's just see, so you can easily flip this one. You can open it and close it. This will help us in animation, of course. And as I said, you will get this model on Patreon. But of course, there will also be a lesson on how I built this one. Anyway, let's not talk too much about modeling, because I think what's more interesting will be what we try to achieve here. So I was watching this video Untold Stories from Samsung on YouTube. Okay, it's basically a commercial for the smartphone, and you can see, let's go maybe to this point. So I would love to show you how you can achieve something like this in animation. I mean, the artists working on this project, they did such a beautiful job how they actually linked the camera movement to the animation, and then this wave is going through it. Okay, so I'm pretty sure we can achieve a similar level of quality, but maybe we just treat it slightly different. All right, but I really just can't wait to share how you can achieve this really high quality in your Cinema 4D setups. All right, so this will be one of the main topics. Let's just continue here. Of course, we will also talk about beautiful product lighting. Okay, so this just looks amazing. All right, so it looks simple, but man, this is still awesome. So really nice soft fall off here, and I just love it. So we will definitely talk a lot about lighting here. All right, this also looks awesome. So I just can't wait to use my model of the smartphone and fold it and place a light here and there and just share the knowledge with you. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this will be a lot of fun. Also, to make this beautiful moves. Okay, this will be so much fun. Yes, we also take this one as a reference. Okay, so this is obviously some MoGraph setup. Maybe they even did it with Cinema 4D, I don't know. So I think it's totally fine to take such a professional work as a reference and then build it from there. Okay, so we also want to create these patterns with our smartphone. All right, and this is just where the fun begins, and then we could let a wave go through it or some effector. So I don't know. I'm pretty sure this will be super fun. Okay, let's go further here. This also looks so amazing. So I would love to create shots like this one, like in the machine where they build it together. Obviously, this one is too complex, so we won't do something like this. But let's see, where is it? This looks beautiful. Okay, so we can think about the displacement here, the texturing. So I would love to something similar to this one. Obviously, we want to be creative and give it our own twist, of course. But man, this just looks amazing, okay? And definitely, I would love to create something like this. A little factory where these ones get assembled. And man, I just can't wait to start a course with you, okay? So you can start with the 3D model on my Patreon. I will give you several lessons on this topic, and I just think this will be so much fun, all right? So as I said, consider to check my Patreon for the full course. I will split this up into several lessons, and I guess the most fun part will be the animation, all right? So I just can't wait to do this stuff, and I just want to build a factory like this one, all right? And share the knowledge with you. Anyway, I just uploaded the first 2 lessons on Patreon, and I hope to be finished with the whole course in, I guess, the next 3 weeks, okay? So yeah, hope to see you there. Thank you for your time. You are awesome. Have a nice day. Bye, guys.